Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Hyundai remote key fob. What we need to do is we need to remove this cover here to gain access to the battery. So first thing we do is we put the key blade into the upright position. Now we grab our small screwdriver. And you can just see a very small cutout here, one here, and then again, one here, just at the bottom of the fob, just so we can get the blade of the screwdriver in and lift the cover off. Now we just get our fingers and thumbs in and just prise it off. Sometimes it can be a little bit stiff if it hasn't been off before. Now what we need to do is get a Phillips screwdriver and just remove these two screws here. And just remove this cover, and there is your key fob battery. Just get our screwdriver again, get underneath the battery, and we just prise it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing, making sure on this one that the writing is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it back together. So we get this little case, and we just pop it in place, and we get our small screws and we just secure it back down. Make sure they're both tight. Now we just pop this cover back on. Make sure everything lines up. And we just click it back in place. And there you go. It's all done.